This is our amazing room at the Pullman Reef Hotel Casino in Cairns. The hotel was really nice. The room was amazing, but the hotel was nice in general. It had a casino. It had a very nice pool and outdoor area. We didn't get to enjoy it at all because we were busy the whole time, but we went up there and looked at it, and it was really nice. They had a bar downstairs with a stage, and bands were playing, or little groups. We sat down there for a while in the lounge and watched them. We gambled a little bit. The hotel was really nice, but the room was spectacular, and here's our review of that. The drive into the hotel was amazing also. I had to throw in our quick little drive and the views we had. And here we are, pulling up to the hotel to get out and go check in. You have to see this. If you're ever gonna stay here, room 512. Check it out.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cairns, Australia. We are at the Pullman Reef Hotel and Casino. Welcome to our corner suite. Okay, so first when you come inside the room, right here behind these double doors, we have a really cool, this is where you got your sink, not your sink, but your safe, and an ironing board. You got some extra bedding, some house slippers if you so choose to use them. Good open spacious closet area. And then coming through the walkway area, you have your separate water closet, toilet area. Behind the door is a sink. So the toilet is separate from the showers, which we are a big fan of. Making your way further in is the actual shower area. So you have a couple of really nice luxurious robes, very comfortable for putting on after you get out of the shower. You got gorgeous walk-in shower with the rain waterfall head, some bench seating, all marble tile in here. Looks real pretty. And then as you step outside the shower, you do have your soaking tub where it's kind of hard to see, but if Mr. Camera Guy pans over here to the right, you can actually get a good view of the bay if you happen to be soaking inside the tub. So that's a pretty cool feature this bathroom offers. Got the power jets in there for a spa jet experience, spa world tub experience, double sinks, good sized bath towels in there, lights on both sides, good, adequate, nice sized bathroom. All right, making your way out of the bathroom area and over into the actual living area is going to be one of the most amazing views that you will see in a corner suite.
On top of the ultimate views, got a rainbow, wrap-around windows. I mean, come on, this is the view we woke up to every morning. We even saw some very large bats. And in the trees outside our room, we saw some cockatoos. Amazing.
So we've got the king-size bed right here. On either side, you've got table lamps. And keep in mind, with this being Australia, if you are traveling here, make sure you have appropriate adapters for all of your electrical outlets. They do have a bedside clock. These are your controls here on the side for your lights, your overhead lights. Sorry, these are your overhead lights. And then a great workstation right here. Got a room phone, light, in case you need to do any working while you're taking in these amazing views. Looking out across the way, that is going to be Hemingway's Brewery. We're going to be checking that out in a little bit for some food and drink. And then come around to this side of the TV, and you get the other portion of our corner views. So continuing off of Hemingway's Brewery, and then over out here into the bay. Have a real great open seating, open concept in here, so it's really spacious. This is your coffee bar. So this is your Nespresso machine right here. And then tucked away, you have, look at the size of this refrigerator, you guys. For a hotel room, it's huge. That stuff is all paid for. So just remember, if you're gonna grab anything from there, you gotta pay for it. Got a couple of, to store bottles of wine or whatever other storage you had that you need to put in there. On this side of the coffee bar, again, more bottle storage. And then down here, you'll have your coffee pot, coffee cups, all your different flavors. You got a couple of glasses there for drinking, your wine, whatever you're doing. These 2 bottles of water right here are offered by the hotel, so they are part of your room package, so you get to enjoy those. And then this right here is the door access, one of 2 door accesses. So there is this door here, and then directly across the room on the other side, there is another door access to get out to the wraparound balcony. So slider's not too heavy, opens up real easy. Beautiful tile floors. And then as you can see, we have amazing views of the bay. And as we walk around to the other side of the hotel room, this would be your second entry point back into the room. But again, just a nice, beautiful walk around balcony. And we are here on February 3rd, and it is so humid and so hot, you guys. When we got in, it says that the temperature is 89, but feels like 102 because of the humidity. It's insane how humid it is here today. But it's beautiful. Look at that skyline. That's just absolutely gorgeous. So this is what we are getting for the next couple of nights here in Cairns, Australia. We have learned a couple of that people say it a little differently. It could be Cairns, it could be Cairns, it could be Cairns. So I guess you have to check in with whoever your local is to tell you how to say it. But this is our beautiful hotel room, and hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Till next time. So today is our last day. We're getting ready to head out to the airport from this hotel, which again is the Pullman Reef Hotel. It's about a 15-minute drive to the hotel, or to the airport, so not too stressed, and we're leaving kind of late morning, so not too worried about traffic. But just a final recap here on the room for anything we might have missed when we did our welcome to our room video. This will be our closeout video. The room was absolutely amazing. The hubs upgraded us to a corner suite, and by the way, got those on points. So if you are interested in doing anything with credit card points, definitely look into it, because you can get one of these amazing rooms with the most spectacular view. Windows all the way around, and you know, we laid in bed and just enjoyed the views looking out. Being that it is the middle of summer here in Cairns, lots of humidity, so we couldn't really look out the windows for like morning sunrises, or you know, because it was just the windows were covered in dew and mist and everything else. But the room itself was absolutely amazing. The sliding door right here behind me, got to get a great view out over the bay. The bed was very comfortable. Again, it was a king-size bed, super comfortable pillows. The outlets, there were not a lot of outlets in this room, so keep that in mind. Bring an extender. Also, no USB outlets, which that really disappointed us. USB, USB, whichever ones you're using. Keep in mind it is an Australian plug here, so bring your converters. And yeah, just overall the room was great. It worked out really good. We really liked how spacious it was in here. And the bathroom, adequate space, closet for hanging stuff, safe, all the basic hotel necessities. So just on a scale of 1 to 5, 5+ for this room. We really enjoyed it.
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.